While volunteering at a botanical garden and working in an entomology exhibit, I noticed a butterfly I'd never seen before. I did the obvious thing and searched up its characteristics online: black butterfly with white stripes and red dots on the upper wing, in an attempt to discover a common name. All I found was the blue frosted banner. I asked myself, how could this possibly be the butterfly I was looking at? I later looked more into it and discovered that these butterflies were the same, the only difference was their sex. Hi, my name is Marina, and today I'm going to teach about a topic that everyone knows, but they just don't think that they know. As humans, 98% of us have male or female sex organs. This idea of humans, male and female, having different characteristics and sex organs is the definition of a term called sexual dimorphism. The first part of the word, sexual, regards a reproduction that involves the coming together of genetic material from two parents so as to produce offspring. The second part of the word, dimorphism, is made up of the Greek prefix di, meaning two, and morphism, meaning being or having distinct variants or forms. Now think, how many animals can you possibly name that have incredibly different characteristics? Lions, peacocks, bullfrogs, spiders, sparrows, the list goes on. But you may be asking, why does this happen? Like most animals on the planet, the goal is to reproduce. A genetically male and female of a species come together to produce offspring. In the case of a peacock, males use brightly colored feathers to attract a mate. In other cases, such as a black widow spider, the female is substantially larger than the male because of her need to carry eggs. Finally, you may be asking, how does this all happen? Until this day, and despite increased studies on genes, we don't know. However, we do know different factors that may contribute to this idea. The first is chromosomes. In the case of many insects, especially butterflies and moths, males have two Z chromosomes and females have a ZW combination. It is the eggs that carry the either Z or the W chromosome, therefore the female egg decides. Next is the selection pressures. Evolutionary pressures as well as the rate of evolution are factors. One example of this is evolutionary development of mimicry in butterflies. Male butterflies benefit by mimicking a larger, flashier butterfly to attract more mates, and a female butterfly might develop to look like another poisonous female. Finally is genetic expression. Different genes, hormones, and pigments all make up butterfly wings and further contributes to the differences between sexes. Pigments like melanin are present in gray, black, and brown colors on wings, pterin with orange, and omichrome with red, orange, and tan. Some genes that might contribute further are optics, which are known for producing large spots of colors along thin ray patterns, and aristoteles, which affects the switching between yellow and white patterns and often produce bands on forewings and hindwings. Overall, in butterflies, similar to other insects, differences between males and females are present. Not only comes down to sex organs, but it comes down to genetic makeup and external pressures that force change. Like you and me, insects look all a little bit different, but that's thanks to sexual dimorphism.